your passion.
You can be anything you want. You can achieve it if you just believe. Take you to a place you can be yourself. Live your passion. Live your passion. Yeah.
In layman terms, a coded welder is someone who has completed a welder approval test in a specific welding configuration. As a coded welder, you must be at least 18 years old and possess either a TVET qualification or high school certificate. You can take different paths, including training classes or an apprenticeship, but ultimately you will have to pass a test specific to a welding code to prove your skills with that type of welding. The three main skills any welder should hold are physical abilities, math skills, and attention to detail. These are the skills that will make you a successful welder. As a coded welder, you will possess the skills required to work in some of the most highly regulated sectors. You will be working on a range of safety-critical applications such as pressure vessels and pressure pipework. The difference between certified welders and coded welders are all down to the demonstrated degree of mastery over specific welding methods. While a certified welder can produce their credentials, a coded welder has passed practical tests which indicate their skill. It is also important to possess excellent knowledge of metals and substances used in welding. Training is offered at registered training institutions. Training curricula, course content and duration is flexible and can comprise any combination of welding processes: MMA, TIG, MIG, MAG, and flux cord arc welding. Most coded welders work full-time, which may include working evenings and weekends. Adhering to safety and ventilation considerations, including prescribed safety gear, is of utmost importance. Because many common welding procedures involve an open electric arc of flame and the risk of burns and smoke inhalation is significant. Bending, stooping, and heavy lifting are common. The starting pay for coded welders is slightly more than what fully trained welders make. As apprentices gain experience, they receive more pay. Coded welders with the highest skill levels and willingness to relocate have the greatest advantage for solid employment. Many coded welders work as independent contractors, with some often subcontracting work from bigger organizations. You too can live your passion and qualify as a coded welder. If you are self-motivated, inquisitive, willing to learn on your own, and have a deep interest in mining, you are a good candidate. This insert is brought to you by the Namibia Training Authority. Visit our website at www.nta.com.na to learn about other technical and vocational career options.